Conversation 1.
What time is the meeting?
It starts at 6 o'clock.
When is it over?
It is over at 7:30.
Wow, so long.
Well, it might finish by 7:15. Conversation 2.
When is your first class?
It is at 8:30.
Me too. When is your last class?
My last class is at 3:45.
When does it finish?
At 5:15.
Wow, so late.
I know. Conversation 3.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It is 10:30.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
It is 10:30.
Oh, thanks. 10:30 means 10:30.
Yes, it does.
So 7:30 means 7:30.
Yes, you got it. Conversation 4.
When is the next bus?
It is at 8:15.
8:15? That's too early. I want to get a coffee. And when is the next one?
The next bus is at 8:45.
8:45. Okay, I can take that one.
There is also one at 9:15.
That's too late. I have class at 9:30.
Don't miss it then.